Oh, this is it?
So here we are. I got my 12-year-old son, Justin,
do it if it was minuscule.
and my mom, Carolyn. They're going to try a little tiny, inty bit of plutonium. It should be fairly interesting.
Wait,
Alright.
get Lydia down here.
That's more
Lydia!
than a pinhead.
It's a gel. It's not like a liquid. Ready?
No.
The easiest way to do it is just to do it.
This is probably going to be way worse than
Cheers,
this.
Justin.
Cheers.
I don't want to choose.
Okay, cheers.
Wait. I'm trying to waste as much time as I can. 3.
Do it.
Oh, Nikes.
No. It's down!
So, can you talk, Mom? Justin. Still
I
hurt?
can smell it way over here.
You think it is, huh?
I'm good.
Okay.
I don't know
Yeah.
how you guys did this.
And I had about 10, if not like 15 times that amount.
Oh, I didn't get all of it.
So get all of it.
It's not hiding, but
Mm.
it's gonna be.
You want me to try it?
No.
No.
You're dumb.
Yeah, pretty much.
This is retarded.
Yeah. Justin, just stop drinking something for like try not to eat or drink anything for like 30 seconds.
Chest is burning.
Eat a cow. Who let 12-year-old boys try this besides someone on YouTube?
Wait, just go 20 seconds without eating or drinking.
$10.
No.
$1?
No.
I even got on the roof of my mouth.
See if you go 15 seconds. I'll tell you when. 5 seconds have passed. 10 seconds have passed.
This is stupid.
15 seconds passed.
Why would anybody make this?
His face is red.
Oh,
Mark's
that's a bad idea.
cheeks are red.
You touched the
Maybe
hand
your
thing
hair
there.
will come out with it.
Oh,
I won't do it again.
I can say I tried it though.
Yeah.
Burn so bad.